In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. Whether you are polishing a plan or clarifying notes, adjusting text size is a quick way to improve readability. We'll keep it simple and stay focused on one reliable method that works for both single-line and multi-line text. Start by opening your drawing. Use the file you are currently working on and zoom to the area where your notes or labels live. It doesn't matter if you are in model space or on a layout. The process is the same. Give yourself a clear view so you can immediately see the results of your change. Next, select the text you want to change. You can click one piece of text or hold Shift and select several to update them all at once. This works for standard single-line text and for multi-line text. If you notice varied results, make sure your selection includes only text objects and not dimensions or leaders, which follow their own formatting rules. With your text selected, type PR on your keyboard and press Enter. That opens the Properties palette, the central place for editing object settings in AutoCAD. If you already had Properties open, it will just update to show the text properties. If it appears docked or floating, that's fine. What matters is that your text is still selected, so the correct options are visible. In the Properties palette, scroll to the section labeled Text and look for the field named Height. Properties groups settings by category, so don't worry if you need to scroll a little to find it. If you selected multiple text objects, height will appear as long as it's a property they have in common. If you don't see it, double-check that only text objects are selected. Click in the Height field. Type the new value you want and press Enter. The number you enter uses your drawing's units, so choose a size that matches your scale and the clarity you need. As soon as you confirm, AutoCAD applies the change to your selected text. If the height field is grayed out or shows that it's controlled by a style, that simply means the text style defines its size. And direct edits here aren't available for that selection. Otherwise, you should immediately see the text update on screen. If you change several items at once, pan around to confirm they all look consistent. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.